Your front door serves as much more than a simple entryway. It's the first impression your home gives to visitors, it keeps your family safe, and it helps maintain the comfort of your home. Over time, however, even the best doors can begin to show signs of wear and tear. In Sanford, where the elements can take a toll, it's especially important to keep an eye on your doors to ensure they're functioning properly. Here are some signs it might be time to consider replacing your door. Visible damage or wear and tear. One of the most obvious signs that your door needs replacing is visible damage. Cracks, dents, or splintering can occur due to weather conditions, accidental impacts, or years of use. If your door has noticeable damage that can't be repaired or looks unsightly, it's time to consider a replacement. Not only does a damaged door affect the curb appeal of your home, but it can also compromise the security of your property. A new door can instantly boost your home's appearance and restore its integrity. Difficulty opening or closing a door that sticks or is difficult to open and close might indicate underlying issues with the door frame, hinges, or the door itself. Over time, the wood or metal of the door can warp, causing it to not align properly with the frame. This can lead to frustration when trying to use your door, and in extreme cases, can even prevent the door from functioning altogether. If sanding, lubricating hinges, or adjusting the frame doesn't resolve the issue, replacing the door may be the best solution for smooth, hassle-free operation. Drafts or air leaks. One of the main purposes of your door is to keep the outside elements from entering your home. If you notice drafts or a significant difference in temperature near your door, it could indicate that the seal around the door is compromised. This can happen over time as weather stripping wears down or the door becomes misaligned. A door replacement with proper insulation and weatherproofing will help keep your home comfortable and energy efficient, preventing unwanted drafts from entering during Sanford's hot summers or cold winters. Excessive noise. If you hear a lot of noise coming from your door, creaking, squeaking, or rattling, it might be time for a new one. These noises are often caused by misalignment, wear on the hinges, or the door shifting over time. While lubrication or tightening screws might temporarily fix the issue, consistent noise is a sign of a deeper problem. A replacement door can eliminate these issues, providing a quieter, more peaceful environment for your home. Security concerns. Your door plays a critical role in protecting your family and belongings. If your door has been compromised in any way, whether through damage, wear, or outdated hardware, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Older doors may lack modern security features like multi-point locking systems, which can offer greater protection against break-ins. Upgrading to a new, secure door can significantly improve the safety of your home and provide peace of mind. Increased energy bills. An old, inefficient door can be a major contributor to high energy bills. If your door doesn't seal properly, outside air can enter, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain your home's temperature. This leads to an increase in energy usage and higher utility bills. Replacing your door with a modern, energy-efficient model can help reduce your energy consumption and save you money in the long run. Outdated style. While functional issues are the primary reasons to replace a door, an outdated or unattractive door can detract from your home's overall aesthetic. Sanford homeowners often choose to replace their doors as part of a home renovation or upgrade. A new door can be an investment in your home's curb appeal and can complement new landscaping, updated siding, or other recent improvements to your property. Plus, with a variety of styles, materials, and finishes available, it's easier than ever to find a door that fits your home's aesthetic. Conclusion. A door replacement is a smart investment for the safety, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home in Sanford. If you're experiencing any of the above issues, it may be time to explore your options for a new door. Replacing an old or damaged door can improve your home's security, comfort, and overall appearance while saving you money on energy costs. Whether you're dealing with functional problems or simply want a fresh look, a new door can make a world of difference.